Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite girl again, Tessie Gold of the good life, the pretty one, and the irreplaceable Dami. And this is Real CDM TV. By my left hand side tonight is the producer of the movie Love Crack, Igbuku Simeon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Igbuku Simeon.
My pleasure, my pleasure.
Or am I correct with it? Am I correct? Igbuku Simeon. All right. If I must confess, I don't know. You're making me feel goosebumps. I don't know. You are too handsome for my liking, and I'm beginning to wonder: are you from this earth?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Are you sure you're from this earth? I mean, all right, give us a 360. Give it up. Come on. Same person now. As the producer of this movie, Love Cracks, yeah? What were your challenges?
I'll just say I didn't really have much challenges because Love Crack is a series that have been in my head for a very long time.
Okay.
And this has been a project for me for a very long time, for over 2 years now. I've always gotten this mindset that I wanted to produce this particular movie. So it wasn't that difficult for me because I have my team. My team were already prepared. The script was perfect already. So what if it's and big ups to the producer DAFIDI, he really did an amazing. I mean, big ups to the sorry for saying that. Big ups to the director DAFIDI. He really did an amazing job. He made it very easy for me and for the cast and for everybody. No, there wasn't a challenge.
There's something about this particular persons. Davidi said he chested the challenge, no challenge now. He said, how far I chest them. I mean, Igbuku Simeon came here and he's saying the same thing. I like their courage. Their courage is making me courageous. I mean, he said there was no challenge. He was ready for the game. He went for it and he came out successful. Am I right? Yeah?
Yeah, you're right.
All right. So can you quickly please brief your viewers and my viewers a little about Love Cracks?
Okay, Love Cracks is all about love, betrayal, trust, and so many things on the line. You guys, I would just say, I don't need to say much, but I just want you guys to watch the movie, enjoy yourself, and just end your view at the end of the day.
He said, I want you guys to wait, have fun, enjoy yourself. Those three statements, you will wait. You are going to have fun and you are going to enjoy it. A quick one, a tongue twister question. Are you ready?
Yeah,
are you ready? Okay. She sells shell by the seashore.
Wait. I'm not really good at
tongue twisters question.
So just in case I missed it.
Don't worry. She sells shell by the seashore. She sells share by the seashore. You're going to say it 3 times non-stop. She sells share by the seashore.
She sells share by the seashore.
Okay.
She sells chair by the seashore.
Okay.
She sells chair by the seashore.
Come on, Manager. Can your producer be like this? Can your producer ever? High five. Come on, that was a nice one. All right, let's do this one. We'll do watch out for Love Cracks in the count of 3, 2, 1 together. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. Watch out for Love Cracks. All right. Thank you very much.
The movie is going to be out today, 1 a.m. in the morning on MC Gua 1 on YouTube. Listen again, MC Gua 1 on YouTube. There on TikTok, you can get clips. So many clips on TikTok. Igbuku.Simeon on TikTok.
Alright.
They're on YouTube to get the full movie. It's MC Gua 1.
MC Gua 1.
MC Gua 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you spell the one?
MCBOAR 1.
Okay, MC 1.
Yeah,
okay, yeah. No problem. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're done with tonight's movie premiere, Love Cracks.
Yeah, I want to give a big shout out to so many people that came through for my movie premiere, Love Cracks, episode 1. I want to give a shout out to CDM TV. I want to give a big shout out to London. I want to give a shout out with Mazi CJ Energy Network. I want to give a shout out to Trillion CBN Limited. I want to give a shout out to every other one. I can't mention everybody right now. I want to say a big thank you to everybody that came through. And I want you guys to watch out for Love Crack episode 2, man. This is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. And I'm glad that everybody liked it. Watch out for Love Crack episode 2. We're gonna wire you, man. We're gonna wire you there. Yes, everybody. You're all blessed, man. You're all blessed, man. I appreciate you guys for coming. Big shout out, big shout out, big shout out.